Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, we are going to explore how to use this sum function in Google Sheet and where it can be applied. We also discuss when it's necessary to use it and when it might not be. For example, we have a dataset here with student name, subjects, math, science, English, and history. We need to find out the total marks each student has obtained across these subjects. The students are Ali, Aisha, Bilal, Sara, Ahmed. To calculate the total marks for each student, one way is to simply use the formula is equal to 85 plus 78 plus 90 plus 88. Press the enter. Excel will then give us the total marks like 341, which is the total marks obtained by Ali in 4 subjects. However, if we have a large subject of students, say 50, 30, it's not practical to manually add up individual cells for each student. This is where the sum function comes to handy. Instead of adding cells individually, you can use the sum function. Here's how you do it. Type is equal to and then start typing sum. You see a suggestion pop up, start the bracket and then select the entire range of cells. Whose sum you want to calculate, close the bracket and press enter. The function will give you the total marks 356. If you want to apply these to other students like Aisha, Bilal, Sara and Ahmed, you can simply drag the formula down. It will automatically calculate the total marks of each of them. So today we wanted to show you how this sum function works and how to use it efficiently. I hope this video was helpful and that you understood everything. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.